Welcome to this video on the velocity of information and the principles of fiber optic communication. We'll explore why light is the preferred medium for high-speed data transfer. Fiber optic technology fundamentally shifts data transmission by replacing electrical signals with light. This system uses total internal reflection to guide light pulses through strands of glass or plastic over vast distances. Fiber optics offer four main physics advantages over copper wire. These include traveling at the speed of light, achieving high bandwidth, experiencing low signal loss over distance, and having immunity to electromagnetic interference. Light operates at incredibly high frequencies in the optical spectrum, offering massive bandwidth compared to the radio and microwave spectrum. This, combined with light speed, minimizes latency in data transfer. In copper cables, signal attenuation and electromagnetic interference are high. Fiber optics, however, show minimal signal loss and are immune to EMI, providing clearer, more reliable signals over longer distances without repeaters. The process begins by converting the electrical data stream into optical pulses using lasers or LEDs. Information is encoded using binary states or complex phase modulations, ready for transmission. A fiber strand consists of a core, the path for light, and a cladding. The cladding has a lower refractive index than the core, which is the key to trapping the light inside the fiber. Total internal reflection traps the light. When light hits the boundary between the core and the lower refractive index cladding at shallow angles, it reflects perfectly back into the core, guiding it along the flexible cable. Once trapped, the light pulses propagate down the core. The purity of the glass ensures minimal degradation, allowing the encoded data to maintain its integrity all the way to its destination. At the destination, a receiver or photodetector detects the light pulses. It instantaneously converts them back into electrical signals, reconstructing the original data for use by your device. The complete optical ecosystem involves a self-contained loop. Electrical input data is transmitted as light pulses through total internal reflection, received by a photodiode, and outputted as electrical data. By leveraging the speed of light and the physics of reflection, fiber optics form the backbone of modern connectivity. This technology provides the necessary bandwidth for global internet and clear communication,